Are you looking for a smart, secure, and rewarding investment plan? LIC's Index Plus plan is here to offer you the best of both worlds, market-linked growth with security. Whether you're planning for your future, securing your family, or aiming for wealth creation, this plan is a game changer. What is LIC Index Plus plan? LIC Index Plus is a unit-linked, non-participating life insurance plan that offers a combination of investment and insurance. It provides market-linked returns with the added benefit of life cover, ensuring both growth and security for investors. Key benefits of LIC Index Plus. Plan: market-linked growth with safety. Unlike traditional policies, this plan invests in the market while ensuring that your principal amount is protected. Your money grows based on the performance of the Nifty 50 and the Sensex indices. Power of compounding. One of the biggest advantages of the LIC Index Plus plan is compound interest. The longer you stay invested, the greater your wealth multiplies. Example: suppose you invest 5 lakh rupees in this plan and it grows at an average rate of 10% CAGR compounded annual growth rate. In 10 years, your investment could grow to approximately 12 lakhs 96,000 rupees, more than double your initial amount. Guaranteed additions. LIC Index Plus offers guaranteed additions at various policy durations, boosting your investment significantly. At the end of 6 years, below 48,000 rupees annualized premiums, 3% of annualized premium above 48,000 rupees annualized premium, 5% of annualized premium. At the end of 10 years, 6% of annualized premium, 10% of annualized premium. At the end of 15 years, 12% of annualized premium, 20% of annualized premium. At the end of 20 years, 15% of annualized premium, 25% of annualized premium. At the end of 25 years, 18% of annualized premium, 30% of annualized premium. Total guaranteed additions over 25 years. Below 48,000 rupees annualized premium, 54% of annualized premium. Above 48,000 rupees annualized premium, 90% of annualized premium. Dual benefit investment plus insurance. With LIC Index Plus, you don't just invest, you also secure your family. In case of an unfortunate event, your nominee receives the higher of fund value or sum assured, ensuring complete financial protection. Flexible premium payment options. Choose how you want to pay. LIC offers single premium and regular premium payment options, giving you the flexibility to invest as per your financial comfort. Loyalty additions for higher returns. Stay invested for the long term, and LIC rewards you with loyalty additions, which enhance your overall returns. Tax benefits. Under Section 80C and 10D of the Income Tax Act, you can enjoy tax deductions on your premiums and tax-free maturity benefits. Partial withdrawals for emergencies. After 5 years, you can withdraw a portion of your fund value if you need money for emergencies like education, medical expenses, or home purchase. Age and premium details. Entry. Age 90 days to 60 years, 7 times annualized premium. 90 days to 50 years, 10 times annualized premium. Maturity age 18 years to 60 years. Minimum premium yearly 30,000 rupees. Half yearly 15,000 rupees. Quarterly 7,500 rupees. Monthly 2,500 rupees. Policy term. If annualized premium is less than 48,000 rupees, minimum 15 years, maximum 25 years. If annualized premium is 48,000 rupees or more, minimum 10 years, maximum 25 years. Fund options in LIC Index Plus plan. This plan offers 2 investment options to suit different risk appetites. Flexi Smart Growth Fund invests in top 50 companies, providing stable yet high returns. Flexi Growth Fund invests in top 100 companies, offering higher growth potential with increased market exposure. Why LIC Index Plus is the best choice for everyone? ULIPs with guaranteed additions ensures growth with additional financial benefits. Cap on charges. As per IRDAI regulations, the maximum fund management charge FMC is 1.5%, but LIC Index Plus offers a lower FMC of 1.35%. No policy administration charges for the first 5 years, keeping costs low. total approximately 7% over 20 years. Refund of mortality charges on maturity. Increases the maturity value, ensuring better returns. Liquidity. Partial withdrawals allowed after 5 years, providing financial flexibility. Free fund switching. 4 free switches per year between the 2 fund options. Auto selection of stocks. Invests in performing large cap stocks, eliminating fund manager errors and ensuring safer investment. Double returns. Compared to FDs, index-based ULIPs have delivered double the returns of fixed deposits in the last 10 years. Tax-free returns. Under the old tax regime, ULIP premiums up to 2.5 lakh rupees per financial year enjoyed tax-free maturity benefits. GST benefit in ULIPs. Policyholders receive an indirect tax advantage under GST norms. If you want a risk-free, high-return and tax-efficient investment, LIC Index Plus is the best choice. Whether you're a salaried employee, a business owner or a young professional planning your future, this plan is designed for you. Don't wait, start investing today and secure a financially independent tomorrow. For a free consultation, contact us. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this channel and share with your family. Thank you.